NVIDIA GTC in San Jose. Could you please explain your robot and yourself?
Yeah, so my name is Aaron. I'm from Enchanted Tools, so that's the name of the company. And we are creating the Mirokaï. So we have two species, Mirokaï and Mirokaï, who's not here today.
And for what type of customer or what application is this made for?
So this is made for the healthcare industry in general,
Okay.
and more specifically to elderly houses. So we are just like helping the staff to do many different tasks.
It looks really cute, and he's balancing on only one ball all the time.
Yeah.
The humanoid robots had problems by balancing on two legs. You do the job at only one ball.
Yeah, we choose the ball because this is very safe, and we are deploying this robot in safe environments.
Yeah.
So if the robot is on your way, you can just like push the robot away, and the
Okay.
robot will never fall down.
Could you please give me your hand? You are 3D printed.
Now I'm really curious.
The body looks like 3D printed.
Yeah, it is.
What do you have?
And what type of NVIDIA technology is inside?
So we have two Jetson, one on the body and one on the base.
Okay. And did you use also the Omniverse?
Yes, a bit.
A bit.
A bit.
Okay. And how many robots did you still have in the field?
I've got
So we deployed 50 robots all around the world, in Asia, US, and Europe as well.
modules.
Sounds amazing. Thank you for all the information.
You're welcome.